These are 2 slabs of timber I bought from Bunnings a couple of weeks ago. In a week's time I'm going on annual leave, so I'll be redoing the kitchen, and these are going to be my bench tops. But the problem is they're 900mm across, and I want my bench tops 600mm, so I'm going to have to cut 300mm off, and that's where this saw guide comes in very handy. Get a nice straight cut out of a 2100 long slab of wood. Even though the cut's going to be against the wall in the kitchen, I still want it nice and straight. All I had to do was measure 600 from that edge, mark it, 600mm from that edge, mark it, line up the saw guide, clamp it down, see, it's as easy as that. There we go, nice straight cut. And some leftover timber for later. Might make something for man cave out of this. Now I've finished cutting down these 2 pieces of bench top, and I'm going to stain them. We had a little issue here. There was a split just along the edge, so I had to glue it, clamp it, and hopefully that will that'll be right later on. But I can stain this piece. This piece is all good. Just give it a blow off with the air, bit of a clean down first, and then start staining it. I'm going to stain this bench top using a cedar coloured stain. It's quite dark because we want a nice dark bench top but not black, so I'll probably end up giving this 2 coats of stain on the top, down both edges and the leading edge. closer look from that to that. You can see all the grain, which is what we want. Slightly different colours there from the basewood with the stain, so it's not just one plain brown colour.